So here we've got a Mercedes GLC. Going to do the cabin filter. So there's two locations for this cabin filter. Number one location is under here. So in the engine bay, what you're going to have to do is unscrew these two clips here and here. And this whole piece basically comes off like so. Push these two clips out back and back. And this unscrews up. And here's your first cabin filter. Pretty hard to do with one hand. There's your cabin filter. So I'll just get the new one and come back to the video. So here we've got the new cabin filter next to the old cabin filter, the one that goes into the engine bay. So what you're going to do is follow the steps on the side of the filter, which says airflow down. And just place it in the allocated spot, like so. And install it back in the car. So I'll just get to installing it now. So now we're going to get to the second cabin filter, which is underneath the passenger side dash, inside of this thing here. So what you're going to have to do is to undo one hex bolt, which is a T20 hex. We can focus. And then you're going to have to unclip this clip, unplug the wire here that goes to the light, and this clip that goes into here, and this just drops straight down. And the cabin filter is down right there. So I'm going to pull it out and show you what it looks like. So let's just
You gotta pull that plastic cover off. Pull that completely.
You slide this tab to the side and that comes out. So this tab here slides from one side to the other and the cabin filter drops out. So it drops straight out of there. That's the cabin filter for the one underneath the dash. So now we've got the new filter. Going to have to slide it back in under here. It only goes one way with the corner edge up. So, just going to have to use two hands, so I'm going to have to place the phone down.
¿Vas a hacer esto?
Once the filter is installed, slide and that's slid all the way across to lock it in. Put the cover back on. So make sure that this is out to clip into here.
This side is it? Okay. Clipping the clips.
Clipping that clip here. And this clip here.
Just want to get back to. And there's a screw that goes right there.
And the T20 hex. There it is. It screws up the top here.
Where's the...
That's both cabin filters installed on the GLC Mercedes 2016 model. Thanks for watching and hope this video helped.